Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I will be showing you how to edit PDF files in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the files that you have in Google Drive. So as you can see, here are my suggested files that I have recently used. Here are my folders where I have grouped my files into them. And if I scroll down a bit more, you can find here are all my files that I have been using in Google Drive that aren't in any folder. So guys, let's go back up. Let's say you have a PDF file right here that you want to edit. As you can see here, I have a couple of PDF files. If you do not have the file in your Google Drive, then all you have to do is just go ahead and drag and drop the file into your Google Drive so that it will be automatically added right here, and then you can access it from your Google Drive. But yeah guys, you can see I'm going to be using this PDF file right here. I'm going to be editing it. How do you edit guys the PDF file in Google Drive? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do guys, go ahead and find the file and then go ahead and right click on it. After right clicking guys, now this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as open with, preview, share, and so on. What we want to do is go ahead and find this option right here called open with. So guys, as you can see, here's the open with option, and now as you can see I have multiple options that I can choose. I'm going to choose Google Docs. Go ahead guys and open it up in Google Docs, and now you will see that you'll have the option to edit your PDF file in Google Drive. So as you can see, here is my file, and now I can freely go ahead and add anything I want to it. As you can see, I can type in it, I can type YouTube video, or I can delete what I have typed, I can delete and insert images and so on. You can do whatever you want with a file. And you don't even have to save it, but you can. But every time you change something in the file, it will be automatically saved, and it will save like that in your Google Drive. But yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.